Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Let's jump right into this look. First, I'm going to go in with that orange shade, and I'm just going to apply that above my crease area. Okay, now I'm going in with that reddish shade from my NYX Lash Beauty palette. I think that's the name of it. Everything will be in the description box, but I'm just blending that in with the orange shade that I first applied. Then I'm gonna go in with that dark plum color, and I'm just blending that in right in the crease area. Okay, now I'm going to apply some black in the outer V area, and I'm just blending that out. Now, as you can see here, I'm just going back in with those previous shades because they kind of got lost when I was blending out the black shade. Now I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm just cutting the crease. Now I had to go get like a darker black, any black, but I just want the black to be more intense. And right now I'm adding the NYX Glitter Glue, getting ready for my glitter, which is this gold glitter. You know, you can get any gold glitter. No, this is just from the beauty supply store, so it don't matter. Now I'm going back into the black, and then I'm gonna go back into the red shade because again it got lost, so I'm just applying all that back in so it could be very intense. So now I'm just adding a brow bone shade, and I skipped my whole foundation highlighting routine, but that'll be in my next video, so just keep a lookout for that. Okay, now I'm just doing my under my lower lash line. And I'm just adding black liner. Now I'm just smoking it out, going back into that plummy shade, and then I'm gonna go back into that red shade. But now I'm just gonna do a new lip. But now I think about it, I should have did a burgundy lip because I think that would have looked so bomb with that look. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you in my next video.